Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Maths Life. So here we are going to discuss about the maths chapters. So we will discuss today quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. As you all know, this is a very important topic for class 10th, 12th and for JEE. So first इसको समझने के लिए we have to understand first the polynomials, right? So polynomials, what is a polynomial? Polynomial is an expression with the form a0 a1 x power n a1 x power 1 a2 x square plus so on till an x power n, where x is the variable and n is equals to the number of terms present in it, right? So कोई भी इक्वेशन अगर ये फॉर्म में है, लाइक विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल हियर, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x माइनस 2, right? This is called an expression. There is a difference between expression and equation. We'll discuss it later. First, x square minus 3x plus 2. Here the coefficient of x square means the number associated with x square here is 1. So this will be a2, as the power is 2. So here the term a2 is 1. Then a1 is not only 3, it is minus 3. We have to take the sign there, right? Then a0 here a0 is constant value. Constant mean without any x term. a0 is minus 2, right? Here we have to take the signs also, positive sign or negative sign, okay, right? Then next comes the degree of the polynomial. Degree of polynomial means the highest power associated with the variable, like here the equation is expression is 7x power 5 plus 5x power 4 minus 3x square plus 1. यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर कौन सी रहेगी? 5 मीन्स x के साथ जो हाईएस्ट पावर है दैट विल बी द डिग्री ऑफ, this will be f of x. Degree of f of x is equals to 5. This cannot be negative, this should be positive only, right? Next comes types of polynomials. First one is linear polynomial, means with degree 1. Example here is x minus 4, means if anything is not present in the power, we assume that there is a power 1, right? Here also. So 1x minus 4 is, here degree is 1, right? Second, quadratic with degree 2. Example here would be, we can take this also, x square minus 3x minus 2, right? Here the highest degree is 2, so we can call it as quadratic polynomial, right? Next is cubic. Cubic means highest degree should be, highest power should be 3, right? 3x cube minus 4x square plus 2, right? So highest degree is 3. Don't get confused with this 3 and this 3, right? Power should be 3, not this coefficient, okay, right? Next comes the quadratic equation. Quadratic means, as the name itself indicates, this quadratic and this quadratic is same. This should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now the difference between equation and expression, दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है जिसके बारे में मैं ऊपर बोल रही थी. इक्वेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन का डिफरेंस ये है कि इक्वेशन, इक्वेट का मतलब क्या होता है, इक्वल्स टू समथिंग, राइट. So we are equating it to 0. That's why it becomes a quadratic equation. If it is quadratic expression, then only of this form, right? So this is also called general form. General form, right? General means it can be used anyway. The equation should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c, right? Next, where one more thing, there is a condition where a should not be equals to 0, right? Next comes then roots of an quadratic equation. This can be also called as zeros of an quadratic expression, right? We'll take an example here. X square minus 6x plus 9. If this is the question given, f of x is equals to x square minus 6x plus 9. This is an expression. If we will equate to 0, this becomes an equation, right? So that's why I have written roots of an quadratic equation and zeros of an quadratic expression, right? So what is the meaning of root? Means if we substitute first of all, quadratic, अगर ये quadratic है तो इसके दो रूट्स होंगे, मतलब as the name itself indicates, it have two roots. It should have two roots. So ऐसे कोई दो वैल्यूज x के जिसको अगर अपन इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करें इक्वेशन में तो आंसर अपने को 0 आना, राइट. सो हियर what is the coefficient of x square here is 1, right? So first step is, step 1 here is the coefficient of x square and the constant. You have to take the both, you have to take the product of that, right? The product is equals to, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Product means multiply, and the constant is 9. 1 into 9 becomes 9, right? Next step, ये जो नंबर आएगा 9, उसके अपन this second number, right? x square minus 6x plus 9. You have to take the factors of 9 first of all. So what are the factors of 9? 3 3s are 9, 1, right? Right? 3 plus 3. So you have to choose any one from these two factors, so that if you add these two or subtract these two, you should get this number, right? अगर इसको subtract करे, plus करे तो 3 plus 3 becomes 6. If we add 9 plus 1, then it will become 10. If we minus, subtract it, 0. 9 minus 1 becomes 8. From these four combinations, as we can see, we are getting 6 from here, right? One more thing, if you have minus sign here, then you have to take both the numbers minus. If you are adding minus 3x and minus 3x, x ये दोनों के साथ रहेगा, x एक नहीं होएगा, right? Plus 9 equals to 0. Now you have to separate these two. From here it is 1. So what is common here? Only x. If we have taken 1x, what is remaining here? Only 1x. Minus, if we have taken x out, what will be there? 3. Now from here, what we can take common? If it is minus here, it is plus here. One more thing you have to keep in mind. If here it is minus, then here it should also come minus, right? First of all, 3 3s are 9, right? First, if we take minus 3 common here, it will become only x, right? Here if we take minus into minus becomes, it will plus. So 3 into 3 becomes 9. So यहाँ पे और एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखना ज़रूरी है, ये और ये दोनों सेम आना चाहिए, दोनों में कुछ भी साइन का भी फ़र्क नहीं आना चाहिए. इफ़ इट इज़ x माइनस 3 इट शुड बी x माइनस 3, x प्लस 3 एंड x माइनस 3 नहीं हो सकता, दोनों x माइनस 3 रहने चाहिए, राइट? सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ कॉमन? x माइनस 3. अभी जो बच गया उसको लिख दीजिए हियर x एंड माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0. दोनों को अलग अलग इक्वेट टू 0 करोगे तो x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3 गोज़ देयर प्लस 3, here also minus 3 goes there plus 3. So roots will be 3 comma 3. These are two roots, right? It is quadratic, so we have got two roots. So here we will end the video. In the next video we'll talk about how to find the how to divide a polynomial with other polynomial and remainder theorem. Okay, now we will end the video. Thank you for watching. Do share and subscribe. Bye.